Welcome back to S Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone reviews. Today, we're diving into the Vivo iQOO Z10, a budget-friendly performance beast that aims to deliver a premium experience at an affordable price. Let's explore its features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for you. Design and display. The iQOO Z10 sports a sleek, modern design with a premium feel despite its budget-friendly price. It features a 6.72-inch FHD+ LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and an immersive viewing experience. The thin bezels and punch-hole camera add to its stylish appeal, making it a great choice for gaming and media consumption. Performance and hardware. Powering the iQOO Z10 is the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 processor, a solid chipset for gaming and multitasking. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the device ensures a lag-free experience. The iQOO cooling system keeps temperatures in check, even during heavy gaming sessions. It runs on FunTouch OS based on Android 14, providing a feature-rich and optimized experience. Camera system. The iQOO Z10 features a 50-megapixels primary camera along with a 2-megapixels depth sensor, delivering decent shots in good lighting conditions. The 16-megapixels front camera captures detailed selfies and supports AI enhancements. While it may not compete with flagship camera setups, it offers respectable performance for everyday photography and social media uploads. Battery and charging. A 7,300 mAh battery powers the device, ensuring all-day usage without frequent recharges. The 80W fast charging support allows you to quickly top up the battery, going from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. This makes it a great choice for users who need long-lasting performance with minimal downtime. Gaming and additional features. Thanks to the high refresh rate display, powerful chipset, and optimized software, the iQOO Z10 delivers a smooth gaming experience. Features like game mode, 4D vibration, and ultra gaming settings enhance the overall experience. Additionally, the stereo speakers and haptic feedback further immerse users into their favorite games and content. Final verdict. The Vivo iQOO Z10 is a well-balanced smartphone that offers strong performance, a smooth display, and fast charging at a competitive price. While the camera setup is not its strongest point, the device excels in gaming and day-to-day performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with flagship-like speed, the iQOO Z10 is definitely worth considering. Outro. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Vivo iQOO Z10. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to S Mobile for more in-depth smartphone reviews. See you in the next video. Here's your script for the Vivo iQOO Z10 review. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments or additional details.